Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. All right, so we are asked to solve the exponential equation right here to find the value of x. So whenever you are asked a question like this, what must be coming in your mind is to form a quadratic equation first. Once you form a quadratic equation, things will be easier for you. All right, so let's say we copy what we've been given. That must be our, or this must be our first step. And then after copying, we check at which point are we supposed to have a 1. It can either be here, you see what I've done? There is a 4 power x. So you divide by 4 power x everywhere, okay? 4 power x, 4 power x. The whole idea of doing this, I want to form a quadratic equation. That's the idea. That's the thing that is making me divide by 4 power x. If I want, I can divide by 9 power x throughout, not the 6 power x. If I divide this 6 throughout by 6 power 6, I mean by 6 power x, the quadratic equation won't be formed. So I'll show you the point where I said we must form a quadratic equation. Okay. So here we can simplify. This is what we are going to have. And the power will come right here using the laws of indices. So when using the laws of indices here, we've got, let's say you've got A power x over B power x. For as long as these two powers are equal to each other, you can write this as A over B power x. The power can come outside here, okay? So these and these are the same. And this is what we've done right here, okay? So now from this stage, we can also do the same at this. So it will be 6 over 4 power x, which is equal to 4. Actually, here we just write a 1. Because we know that this is equal to this. So we divide this and this, will just give us a 1. And we have got a 1 there. Now we start thinking in line with a quadratic equation. So we can simplify. If you're able to see here, this will give us a 3 over a 4 power 2 and x here. Okay, I'll explain what I've done here. This will give us a 3 over, actually here it's supposed to be 2. A 3 over 2 and the power x here, which is equal to a 1. Okay, so now let me just explain what I've done here. There is, you can see this. We have 9, which is the same as 3. Okay, let me copy. We have 9 over 4 and the power x right here. I want to show you what I've done here. So here, we can write this as 3 power 2 over 2 power 2 and the power x here. We know that 3 power 2 is the same as 9, 2 power 2 is the same as 4. So using the laws of indices like we did here and here where we factored out the x here, there is a power here and the power here. So these two powers, power 2 and the power 2 here, we can write this as 3 over 2 power 2 and x. This power, it will come out and it will be multiplied by this using the laws of indices. So that's the thing, and it's what we've done here. At this point, we've just divided, we've just found the number that can go into 6 and 4 without leaving any remainder. That's a 2. 2 into 6, it's 3. Into 4, it's a 2. So that's it. Now, if you are properly able to see, here we can say, right here, if you are able to see from this stage, we can say 3 over 2, okay, power x, and a power 2 here. power 2. We can separate these and write them like this. Minus 3 over 2 power x is equal to a1. So the whole instance or the whole idea of separating this right here, this writing like this, we want to have similar stuff here and similar stuff here, so that we say let y, any letter of your choice. So in this case, I've decided to put y is equal to whatever is similar here. So what is similar here is 3 over 2 and the power x. This is the same as this. So this simply means we shall get y and substitute it here. So it will be y power 2. When we put y here, the power 2 will remain. So it will be y power 2 minus y is equal to 1. Because this thing is the same as y according to what we've said. So this is our quadratic equation. We now solve the quadratic equation. Let me create some space. So we solve the quadratic equation, and when we solve the quadratic equation, we'll come back to this stage. So our quadratic equation is y is equal to, y power 2 minus y minus 1 is equal to a 0. So this quadratic equation, I've just decided to put it in standard form. This will come this side, it will be negative 1. So solving this using the quadratic formula, so this is our quadratic formula right here. Okay. So we solve this using quadratic formula, which have a negative 1, because we know that this is a b. So this is a, b, and c. So our b is a negative 1. Here, there's a negative 1 here, plus or minus root over here, negative 1 also b squared minus 4. Our a is a 1, and our c is a negative 1 here. So when we work out here, actually here also a is a negative 1. So when we work out what is here, we're getting a positive 1 plus or minus root over 5. What is here is giving us a 5 over a 2. So we shall have two y values. The first y value will be y is equal to 1 plus root over 5 over 2. The next one will be y is equal to 1 minus root over 5 over a 2. So these are the two y values. Two y values. But what do we need? We need the x value. So to get the x value, we will come back to where we said let here, this point. That's why I said this is very important. We'll come back at this point. So at this point, we shall just copy what is there, because we said let y. So we say y is equal to here 3 over 2 and x there. So I've just copied this. And out of these two solutions, we just go with the one that will give us the positive value, which is this one, the first one. This one, we'll forget about it. We'll just go with this, okay? So these are the steps that you must follow. So now to move with this, we shall say 1 plus root over 5 over a 2 is equal to 3 over a 2 and x here. Okay, hopefully you can see what has happened here. I've just gotten this and substituted it right there. And then you say ln of 1 plus root over 5 over a 2, okay, is equal to x ln over 3 over 2. So apply ln to both sides, this side and this side, so that we drop this power, which is right here, okay? Divide by ln of 3 over 2, divide by ln of what? 3 over a 2. So this will go. Our x value will be this one, ln over 1 plus root of what? Of 5 over 2 over ln over 3 over 2. So this is our solution. This is the answer that we've gotten right here. Our answer is over here. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Sichamba Jacob. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave the comment in the comment section below. Bye bye.